Hey there, this is Julian, and today we want to talk about the Revolut Business account, and I will show you step by step how it works later on in the app. But first, I want to let you know about the sign up bonus. So here you can see inside the UK, you currently get £100 if you sign up via my partner link, and you will find the link down in the video description. The first one, just click on it, and it will bring you to this page, and here you can sign up. So that's quite nice. They are giving this away via their partners, so make sure to check out the link. And now let's see what you can do with Revolut. Therefore, I will just go to their business page and we can scroll down here, and here you see all the features. So their biggest feature is that you have multi-currency accounts, meaning that you can hold money in pounds or euros or, for example, USD, and you can transfer this money worldwide in over 150 different destinations. So for example, if your supplier sits in China, then you open up a Chinese yen account, and then you can just transfer the money in yen to your Chinese supplier. And this is one of their biggest advantage, that you can transfer money worldwide and you can also receive money. And they didn't stop there, because you can get cards, you can get physical cards or virtual cards, and when you pay in different countries with those cards, then the amount will be automatically deducted in the correct currency. And they didn't stop there, because they also have different merchant tools. So when you open up a shop or a cafe or a restaurant, you can get a card reader, and then people can pay you, and then the money directly lands inside your Revolut account, which is quite nice. And you can put your money to work. For example, you have a savings account, and there you get up to 1.7% depending on your plan. Or you can also invest in different treasury funds where you get like 2 or 2.7%. I will show you this in a minute inside the app. But yeah, this is also very unusual for a business account, because normally you just transfer money from different accounts, but here you can actually put your money to work. So these are the main features, and I will show you those in a minute inside the app. But before we do so, I will show you the different plans, because Revolut comes with different plans. You have the basic plan, you have the grow plan, the scale plan, and the enterprise plan. And they start at £10 a month, and they go all the way up on the scale plan to £90 a month. So yeah, these are the different plans. I think £10 a month is fair for a business account. And as said, if you want to try it out, you will find my partner link down here in the video description. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page, and you get £100 currently inside the UK. But now let's take a look inside the app and what we can do there. So once you have signed up, you will land on this screen. This is my home screen, and here you can see I have different currencies, for example Euro, USD or Swiss francs or Great British pounds. And now I can just add money to all the accounts, for example with my Apple Pay, or I can move money between these accounts. So I can just click on move. Then I can just type in, for example, 8.66, and now I will transfer all my British pounds to my Euro account, and then I can just review my order, and there won't be any fees because I'm on a premium plan. Then I can sell my Great British pounds for Euro, and now it is done. So this was very quick, and now the British account should be empty, and my Euro account has like roughly 10 euros more. So this is one main advantage. And as said, if you're traveling abroad, for example you're working in the US, or you do some work for someone in the US, then they can transfer money to your account. Therefore you simply click on details, and then you see your USD account details. For example, here you see the IBAN number and the BIC number, and I can just send this over to someone in the US, and then they can transfer USD to my USD account here, and I will see the amount then in my USD account. So this is quite nice. And as said, you can open up more. So just click on more, and then you can click on add new account, and here you see all the currencies which are available: Swiss francs, Canadian dollars, but let's go with Australian dollars. And then you can just name your account and create it. And once you have done this, you will see your account details here, and then you can forward this to your employer in Australia. He can pay you, and then you will see your Australian income here in this account. And of course, you can then move this back to your British pound account or to your Euro account, and then you have your money back in your home currency, so to say. So these are the multi-currency accounts. I think it's very straightforward. The design is nice. You can just swipe left and right, and down here you can also see all the transactions you've made and keep track of everything. Next, you have cards, and you can just get another card. So just click on order card, and you can have a physical card. And here you can have a standard black card in plastic, or for example, you can get a metal card, but here you pay up to 59 euros per card. So I usually stick with the plastic cards. But you also have virtual cards, and here you can create many. For example, I think on my plan, I can create up to 50 different cards per team member. So this is quite nice. I will also show you how you can add team members in a minute. But here I can just click on the card, click continue, give it a name. For example, if you want to have like a card for a certain subscription, and then I can have custom controls or a spend program, but I'm good with this. And spending limit would be, let's say, 100 euros. And I can confirm this. And now it will create the card for me. And now I see my card here, and I can add this to my Apple Wallet, and then I can start paying with my card. And the nice part here is when I use the card, for example, in England, then the amount will be automatically deducted from my British pound amount. When I'm, for example, in the United States, in New York, and I use my card there, then I will pay in USD. So you always have a good exchange rate using your Revolut card here. And of course, as said, you can create different cards for different team members, and then they can take the card, go on a business trip, and for example in Vietnam, and then they can pay with their card in Vietnam. So you can manage your entire company within one app, which is quite nice. And of course, you can also transfer money. Therefore, you just click on the middle icon here, transfer, and here you can send money. For example, also send money in bulk when you, for example, pay your salaries. But let's go with just send money, and then you can add new. And here you see you can either choose a Revolut recipient. It works basically like in PayPal. Every Revolut member has a ref tag, and then you can just type in their ref tag and it will be sent to their Revolut account. But I think most of you will transfer money to a different bank account. Therefore, click on bank recipient. And here you can select if you want to send it to a business or an individual, and you can select the country. So for example, in my case, it's Germany and the currency is euro. And then I can type in the IBAN number and the SWIFT number and the business name, click continue, type in the amount, and then they will give me a review, and then I can just forward the money to a different business account. And depending on the region, for example, if we go to the United Kingdom, then the currency will be British pound. And here you have different bank details, for example, an account number and a sort code, and you type this in, and then you can click continue, and then you wire money internationally. And this is quite nice. And these are the main banking features. There's one more, and you can put your money to work here under the treasury tab. And when you click on the upper right corner here, you can have a savings account, and here you get 1% on my current plan, but you can also upgrade to the scale plan. Then you get 1.3%, and on the enterprise plan you get even more. And you can also select flexible cash funds, and then you can put your money into a Euro fund or a US Treasury fund, and here you get up to 2.18% per year on my current plan. But of course, if you're on the scale plan, you get even more. So this is quite nice. If you have a lot of money laying around, you can invest it in something, but I'm no advisor on this, so make sure to read through the risks, because it says returns not guaranteed, capital is at risk. And yeah, last but not least, you have the merchant center, and here this is quite nice because you can do a lot with the merchant tools from Revolut. Here you can just click on payment gateways, and for example, you can connect your Shopify store or your WooCommerce store, and then you will see your revenue from Shopify directly in your Revolut account. So you can just link it up. Or if you scroll down, you can also get paid by a link. So you can just click on link, and then you can create a link, send it over to someone, and then they can pay you with Visa, MasterCard, or they can just transfer money to you, which is also quite nice. Or you can also just generate invoices. Here, just click on invoice. Then you can select a customer, or you can create a new customer. You have your invoice number, you have your due date. You can put in the item, for example, consulting service, the quantity, the price, and then you can just send over the invoice and people can start paying you via the invoice. So also pretty straightforward. And if you have, for example, an agency and you get recurring payments, you can also have a subscription set up. Here you can just create a subscription, and then they can pay you monthly on a monthly basis on your subscriptions here. So also quite nice. And yeah, these are all the tools to get paid. And they didn't stop there because they also included devices. When you click on devices, you can scan for a card reader. So if you have a shop or a cafe or a restaurant, then you can connect a card reader and you can get paid via the card reader. This is called a point of sale solution. When you click on it, you can also download their app. And they have an individual app for this because here you can do fancy things like, for example, setting up tables, connect your card readers. You can also get a QR code so people can directly pay at their table. And yeah, just browse through. It's very unlimited features here with Revolut. I think it's quite nice, but you will find all those features here under the merchant tab. And when you click on explore, they will explain you every product they have, subscription, invoices, payment links, tap to pay, payment gateways, and plugins. And this one is also nice, tap to pay, because you can convert your phone into a card reader. Therefore, just click on it. And then it will setting up your iPhone as a card reader, so you don't have to buy like a card reader from Revolut or from SumUp. Instead, you can just use your phone. And so this is quite nice. When you click continue, it will be set up automatically. And then you can just show the phone to the customer, and then they can tap the card to your phone, and then you will get paid. So I think this is the future. I love it. You won't get this at any traditional bank probably. And this is why I like Revolut, because they have all those features for you as a merchant. And yeah, as a summary, so you can invest your money, you can get paid by customers, you can transfer the money, you can get many different cards, and you can have multi-currency accounts. And the best part, since you're probably a company, you can also invite team members. Therefore, you just click on the top left, you click on your initials. And when you scroll down a bit, you see on the right, you see team members, and then you can click on team. And here you can invite a team member, and then they can start using your account, and you can give them different access to your account, and you can issue a card for them so they can start paying on their business trip, and the business expenses will be directly on your Revolut account. So this is quite nice. This is what you get with Revolut. I hope this helps to understand what you can do with it. Of course, there are more and more features coming, but these are the basic features. And as said, if you want to try it out, feel free to click on the link down below. I hope in your region they're also offering a welcome bonus right now via their partner links. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and we see us in the next video.